Hey, beautiful people. This is Allison, and in today's video, I'm sharing a simple, delicious recipe with you guys. I am making stuffed vegan bell peppers. This meal is perfect for weeknights or even if you're entertaining guests. So, whether you're new to plant based vegan cooking or you're looking for fresh ideas to spice up any meal, this meal will become, I am certain, this meal will become a favorite. A little bit about the channel if you're new here. On the channel, I provide holistic health and wellness tips targeting Black women over the age of 50 to aid them in obtaining optimal health and live the life that they desire and deserve. So, with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Oh, yes, and by the way, I will have a list of all the ingredients that I'm using in the recipe. It's included in the video. However, you can find the list, the recipe, and the detail in the description section of this video. Again, thank you so much for watching it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Oh, yes. And if you decide to make the dish, please come back and share what your thoughts were. Thanks again. Enjoy.